Yeah, but life for funny. I remember when I dey young, you know, my mates dey school, and I saw they impregnate women up and down. I think I can't get 10 children, 16 grandchildren. I don't know where they some not even they register. See life now. I remember one time in my life, now so I married this one, I married this person, I divorced, I married that person, I divorced. Now I come meet one woman. I don't date there for 45 years. She they look me and they look her. We don't know waiting to take herself to. I remember one time in my life where I say if I die, then go bury me with my bike. I dey carry bike, I don't go South Africa, I carry bike, I go London, I come back. I don't know, see now for the past 5 years I never ride bike. How now they see this country? I remember one time again for my life where I get that I should be able to me that time. So I say this is the last hair design I go do for my life. So my hair for my head begin to fall off. I say God forbid. Instead, gorimapa. I remember one time where they be like say, I go see Nyash Nasa, they shake. I say, this Nyash is a wonderful material. Look me now, my brick know they rise again. I bet, how now they see this kind of life? Because they think tire me.